Hi everyone, my name is Angelica Leon. This is task 7 for English 2 of UNAT. In this opportunity, I'll to answer some questions about me. The first question is, what are your plans for the weekend? On Saturday, I'll work in the morning and I will watch a movie at afternoon. On Sunday, I'll go to the church at 9 a.m. and at evening, I'll eat typical food. This weekend, I will celebrate the Mom's Day with my family. The next question is, what is your job or your study routine? I start my day at 5 a.m. every day. Then I go out to work and get in at 7 a.m. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I go out from my work at 8 p.m. and I study at night for 8 p.m. to 10. Then I go to sleep. The third question is, what sports do you practice? In this moment, I really don't practice some sport, but I only ride my bike like mine of transportation. The fourth and last question is, which country would you like to travel to and why? I would like to travel to Australia because it is a dream that I have had 2 years ago and because I think it's a good place to live despite the weather. And thanks for watching my video and blessings for everybody with yours. Bye.